Across every corner of our planet, life thrives in astonishing forms. We often overlook the remarkable minds that surround us. Intelligence is everywhere, not just our own. From tool-making birds to mind-reading mammals, animal intelligence takes many surprising forms. These are not just creatures of instinct, but beings capable of thought, emotion, and planning. Join us as we explore the extraordinary minds that share our world. Let's dive in. Deep beneath the waves, in the twilight world of the coral reef, lives the octopus, a solitary hunter, a master of disguise, and one of the ocean's most enigmatic minds. With 8 flexible arms lined with hundreds of powerful suckers, the octopus explores its world with a delicate touch and astonishing dexterity. It is an animal with a mind of astonishing complexity. It has not one central brain but 9, one in its head and a mini brain in each arm. Each arm can taste, touch, and even make decisions on its own, allowing the octopus to multitask in ways that seem almost alien. This unique biology gives the octopus incredible problem-solving skills. In laboratories, they have been seen opening jars, escaping enclosures, and even recognizing individual people. In the wild, their intelligence is on full display. An octopus will stalk its prey, then suddenly change color and texture to blend perfectly with rocks or sand, vanishing before a predator's eyes. Some species mimic flounders, sea snakes, or even lionfish to confuse both prey and predators. A living, breathing master of disguise. They are known to use tools, gathering coconut shells or seashells to build portable shelters, and even barricading their dens with rocks. One famous octopus named Inky escaped from a New Zealand aquarium by slipping through a tiny gap, crossing the floor, and vanishing down a drain to the sea. The octopus's short life is filled with curiosity and creativity. It can change color in an instant, not just for camouflage but to communicate mood or warn rivals. In every encounter, the octopus forces us to reconsider the very nature of intelligence itself. A mind so different yet so brilliant, thriving in the hidden depths of our world. High in the Central African rainforest, a flash of gray signals the presence of the African gray parrot. Renowned for mimicking human speech, they also understand it. The African gray challenges the assumption that vocalizations are meaningless repetition. They appear to grasp the concepts behind the sounds they make. Alex demonstrated a vocabulary of over 100 words used in context. Presented with objects, Alex could identify, count, and categorize them. This requires a complex cognitive process. These parrots can express desires and even emotions. They can combine words in novel ways, a sign of true linguistic creativity. They can identify shapes and colors and even grasp abstract concepts. They are sentient beings with a rich internal world. In farmyards and fields exists an animal whose intelligence is often underestimated. This is the pig. Dismissing it overlooks a mind of remarkable complexity. In controlled tests, they rival dogs and even some primates. They navigate mazes, remember pathways, and improve with each attempt. They grasp reflection, using mirrors to find hidden food, requiring abstract thought. They learn symbolic language, associating symbols with actions. Researchers taught pigs to play video games, manipulating a joystick with their snouts. This indicates an understanding of cause and effect. We must not be deceived. They are among the planet's most intelligent creatures. For over 10,000 years, a unique partnership has been forged, an alliance between two species that has profoundly shaped both of our histories. This is, of course, the domestic dog. This relationship is founded upon a sophisticated and highly specialized form of intelligence. The dog's true genius lies in its unparalleled mastery of social cognition. It possesses an extraordinary ability to read us, to interpret our subtle cues, our emotional states, and our intentions. A dog is acutely attuned to the emotional landscape of its human family. They respond to our joy and to our sadness with a gentle, comforting presence. It is the glue that binds our two species together in one of the most successful interspecies partnerships the world has ever known. So when we look at our loyal companion, we should see more than just a faithful friend. We are looking at a social specialist whose mind has been exquisitely shaped to understand and communicate with our own. In the wild heart of Africa and Asia, elephants roam, giants not just in size but in mind and spirit. Their memory is legendary, guiding families across vast landscapes and binding generations together. Within these herds, family is everything. Matriarchs lead with wisdom, passing knowledge from one generation to the next. Young calves are nurtured by mothers, aunts, and siblings, surrounded by a network of care. Elephants share deep social bonds, comforting, playing, and even mourning together with gentle touches of trunk and heart. When a member of the herd is lost, they gather in silent vigil, showing empathy and grief. Their communication is rich and complex. Low rumbles travel for miles, while subtle gestures and touch convey meaning within the group. Elephants recognize the voices and scents of friends and family, even after years apart. They use tools, solve problems, and recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare sign of self-awareness. In the wild, elephants have been seen digging wells, stripping bark for food, and using branches to swat flies. Their cultures are passed down through generations, unique traditions, migration routes, and survival skills, all learned from elders. Each herd carries its own history, written in memory and experience. In every gentle giant, we glimpse a mind as rich and complex as the world they inhabit, thinking, feeling, and profoundly alive. The story of the elephant is a testament to the power of memory, emotion, and the enduring bonds of family. Intelligence manifests unexpectedly. Amidst urban sprawl and woodlands, we find a mind cloaked in midnight black, the crow. Often dismissed as a scavenger, this bird possesses cognitive prowess rivaling primates. Scientists call them feathered apes, a title earned through cunning and complex thought. A crow engineers solutions to acquire food, like dropping nuts for cars to crack. Astonishingly, they manufacture tools. New Caledonian crows craft hooks from twigs to extract grubs. A crow never forgets a face, especially a threatening one, communicating the threat to its flock. Deep within Borneo and Sumatra, a solitary, thoughtful life unfolds for the orangutan, or person of the forest. These great apes share our genetic makeup, but their intelligence evolved differently. Young orangutans spend years with their mothers, learning vital skills. They use sticks as tools, probe termite mounds, and even fashion leaf umbrellas. These techniques and knowledge of medicinal plants are regional traditions, a hallmark of their culture. In captivity, they imitate human behaviors, demonstrating a profound cognitive ability to understand and replicate actions. They are the thoughtful, resourceful people of the forest. Beneath the shimmering surface in a kingdom of blue exists a mind of extraordinary complexity, the bottlenose dolphin. To watch them is to witness joy made manifest. It is the intricate workings of their minds. They have passed the mirror test, a benchmark for self-awareness. This sense of self is the foundation for their complex social lives. They cooperate in ways that demonstrate true teamwork. They appear to have a system of communication that is far more than clicks and whistles. Dolphins develop a unique, signature whistle early in life. Other dolphins will use this signature whistle to call out to that specific individual. It is a sign of a truly brilliant mind thriving in the heart of the sea. In the forests of Africa, chimpanzees live in tight-knit communities, giants of intelligence, emotion, and adaptability. Sharing nearly 98% of our DNA, these great apes bridge the evolutionary gap, revealing a mind both familiar and unique. Their social lives are rich and complex, grooming, playing, and comforting one another, forging bonds that last a lifetime. Chimpanzees are master toolmakers, using sticks to fish for termites and leaves to soak up water, a skill once thought uniquely human. These abilities are learned and passed down, generation to generation, a sign of true culture in the wild. They show empathy, consoling others in distress, and even mourn their loss, reminding us of the depth of their emotional world. Chimpanzees can deceive, form alliances, and navigate shifting social hierarchies with remarkable skill. In every gesture and glance, the line between us and them blurs, revealing a mind as wondrous and complex as our own. In the heart of the Congo rainforest, a gentle society thrives. Bonobos, our enigmatic cousins, living in harmony beneath the emerald canopy. Bonobos are renowned for their intelligence and empathy. Their lives are woven together by bonds of cooperation, play, and gentle touch. In bonobo groups, females lead, and conflicts are often resolved with affection rather than aggression. Their peaceful nature sets them apart in the animal kingdom. Bonobos use tools, share food, and communicate with a rich vocabulary of gestures and vocalizations. Their playfulness and curiosity echo through the forest. Through grooming, play, and shared care of young, bonobos build a society rooted in empathy and trust, a living testament to the power of kindness in the wild. In every bonobo, we witness the beauty of connection, the spark of intelligence, and the enduring hope for a more peaceful world. Across oceans, forests, and skies, life's intelligence takes countless forms, each wondrous, each unique. From the problem-solving octopus to the thoughtful elephant, the cunning crow to the playful dolphin, every mind is a marvel, shaped by the wild beauty of our world. The story of intelligence is the story of life itself, diverse, mysterious, and ever-evolving. Stay curious. The next wonder is always waiting, just beyond the horizon.